Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. We have another major news update on Shubman Gill's injury. If we look back on the chronology of how things panned out for the Indian skipper, we know that on the day of that first innings, when he aggravated that injury while batting in the first innings, he woke up with a stiff neck, as Mone Mokkal later pointed out in the press conference. Throughout the day, while the match was on, Shubman Gill was in that dressing room with the neck brace watching the match, after which he was taken to a local private hospital here in Kolkata, where he was kept under observation for 2 days. He had his assessments done, he had his treatments done, after which he was released. We all saw that footage of Shubman Gill walking out of the hospital again with the neck brace, and he looked incredibly uncomfortable. At that point, the pain hadn't completely gone yet. It had been minimized, but the pain still remained. His pain continued to be there for a few days following that, and now we have a major news update when it comes to the Indian captain. The question that we were all constantly asking was whether or not Shubman Gill will be able to make a comeback in the second test. But as things stand, and the last update that we gave was that Shubman Gill will need another 5 to 7 days of recovery, of rest, to make it back to the playing field. Now, the medical advice for Shubman Gill is to not travel with the team to Guwahati, because it could pose the risk of aggravating the injury, and aggravating the injury could mean long-term risks for the Indian captain, this newly appointed Indian captain. But he might still, and Shubman Gill is keen on traveling with the team to offer moral support, to offer his support as the captain. His chances of playing the second test match, despite some reports out there, are negligible. It would take an absolute medical miracle for Shubman Gill to come back and bat out there and go out there on the field in that second test match in Guwahati. So the chances of him making a comeback on the field are absolutely negligible at this point. The final decision on whether or not Shubman Gill will travel will be taken on the 21st of November. So that is the biggest update that is coming in right now. Will Shubman Gill go ahead and travel with the team? Because there is already a lot of chatter on social media. Not that Shubman Gill needs to pay attention to what is being said about him on social media, but as a captain, as someone who is responsible for this team, he will want to travel with the team to Guwahati to offer some support. But at the same time, if that traveling means aggravating the injury to the point where it could mean long-term risk for the Indian captain, will he want to do that, or will the Indian management, knowing the risk of this injury, stop Shubman Gill from traveling with the team? We will have to wait and watch, because an assessment will take place on the 21st, and the final decision on whether or not he will travel with the team will be made on that very day. So stay tuned. We will be bringing you all the further updates as well.